InNOut has earned an incredible reputation as one of the most beloved fast food chains in America. Known for their fresh, high-quality ingredients, friendly service, and a simple menu that has remained largely unchanged since 1948, it's no wonder they consistently top customer satisfaction rankings. But what really sets them apart is their old-fashioned approach to making burgers, a method that's as nostalgic as it is delicious. Let's uncover what's really in an InNOut hamburger and explore why this legendary chain keeps its menu so limited. In 1948, in Baldwin Park, California, a small family-owned business was born. Founded by Harry and Esther Snyder, InNOut started with a simple idea: provide fresh, high-quality burgers with fast service in a convenient drive-thru format. Harry's vision was revolutionary, creating California's very first drive-thru hamburger stand in a space barely 100 square feet. Every day, Harry personally selected fresh meat and produced from local markets, hand-preparing everything himself. Meanwhile, his wife Esther managed the accounting right from their home just around the corner. Together, they created a recipe for success that would resonate for generations to come. One of Harry Snyder's most significant contributions to the fast food world was his invention of the two-way speaker system. This simple innovation would transform the drive-thru experience, making it faster, more efficient, and more personal for customers. This seemingly small change paved the way for the modern drive-thru system that we know today. It wasn't just about selling burgers. It was about changing how fast food worked, giving customers convenience without compromising on quality. As InNOut grew, it remained true to its roots. By 1979, InNOut opened its 21st restaurant in Ontario, California. This was the first to include a dining room, giving customers the option to eat in or use the drive-thru. In 1984, they opened their 32nd location, which was the first without a drive-thru but with a dining room. But the secret to InNOut's success has never been about expansion for the sake of it. It's about simplicity. InNOut has always focused on quality over quantity. The menu includes just 3 basic burgers: the hamburger, the cheeseburgers, and the double-double, along with fries and shakes. This stems from founder Harry Snyder's motto, "Do one thing and do it well." This philosophy ensures a consistent and high-quality experience. Every burger is made with fresh ingredients, sources from plenty of local long-standing Los Angeles area purveyors. The buns at InNOut are supplied by Puritan Bakery, a small bakery in Carson, California, which has been serving the chain since the 1950s. Puritan Bakery uses an old-fashioned, slow-rising sponge dough process. This results in a soft yet sturdy bun that holds up under the weight of the patties, spreads, and condiments. The sponge dough is made with wheat, yeast, and water. No milk, making it suitable for those with lactose intolerance. These plain white hamburger buns are baked fresh daily and come in a variety of sizes and styles. InNOut's buns are typically in the range of 4 to 5 inches in diameter and 1.5 to 2.5 inches in height, ensuring the perfect fit for their burgers. Now onto the star of the show, the beef patties. InNOut uses 100% USDA ground chuck from individually inspected whole chucks. They control the entire process at their production plants in Baldwin Park, Lathrop, Lancaster, Texas, and Chino to ensure absolute quality and freshness. There are no additives, fillers, or preservatives. Each patty is made fresh and never frozen. Once prepared, each patty is placed on a sizzling grill and cooked to perfection. The patties are seared at just the right temperature, creating a flavorful crust while locking in the natural juices. They are also topped with a slice of smooth, melty American cheese. The cooking process ensures the beef stays juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor. Freshness isn't just reserved for the meat. Every day, InNOut associates prepare fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. The lettuce is hand-leafed, ensuring each piece is crispy and clean. The tomatoes are the plumpest and juiciest available, sliced daily. Onions can be ordered raw or grilled to caramelized perfection. And no InNOut burger is complete without their signature spread, inspired by Thousand Island dressing. Made from mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, this spread has remained unchanged since 1948. It adds a tangy, creamy layer of flavor that complements every bite. Each ingredient carefully layered, buns, beef, cheese, veggies, and that special spread creates a burger that's not just delicious, but made with care and quality at every step. InNOut has also built a loyal following with its famous not-so-secret menu. While the main menu is simple, customers can customize their burgers with options like animal style, which includes extra spread, grilled onions, and a mustard grilled patty, adding an extra tangy kick. Or protein style, where lettuce wraps replace the buns. And if a double-double isn't enough, you can get a triple-triple or even a quad-quad. These secret menu items aren't advertised, but they've become an essential part of the InNOut experience. It's a small way to make customers feel like they're in on something special. The same commitment to freshness extends to InNOut sides and drinks. Their fries are made from Kennebec potatoes, cut and fried in 100% sunflower oil for a crisp, golden texture. Whether you like them light or extra well done, every batch is cooked to order. But for a true fan favorite, you'll want to try animal-style fries. This indulgent treat starts with those golden fries, topped with a generous layer of melted cheese, lots of grilled onions, and a drizzle of spread. The combination is a perfect balance of crispy, creamy, and savory. For beverages, InNOut's partnership with Felbro, a beverage-based company, led to the introduction of their famous pink lemonade, which was updated in recent years with a late version sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. And for a nostalgic touch, InNOut added hot cocoa made with Ghirardelli chocolate powder in 2018, their first new menu item in over a decade. After more than 75 years, InNOut is still a family-owned business, with Lindsay Snyder, Harry and Esther's granddaughter, at the helm. Lindsay took over the company in 2017 and has continued to honor the family's legacy. InNOut has largely stayed true to its roots, focusing on its existing markets, but they are now expanding further east of the Mississippi River to Franklin, Tennessee. By 2026, more locations are expected to follow, with the company building an office to maintain their high standards of quality and freshness. So there you have it, the secret to an old-fashioned InNOut burger and why they keep their menu simple and classic. It's all about quality ingredients, freshness, and a commitment to tradition. Let us know your favorite way to enjoy an InNOut burger in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mouth-watering videos. See you next time.